Hey everyone, welcome back. Did the Credit One bank app stop opening right after you moved to a new city or state, even though nothing else about your phone has changed? This is a confirmed real world issue. Here is the fix. This exact scenario is documented. Our users' Credit One app stopped opening the same day they relocated to a new city, and expert troubleshooting pointed to a device level date, time, or location mismatch rather than an account problem. So, first go to your settings, then go to General, then inside General scroll down to date and time and make sure that it is set to automatically, since a stale or incorrect device clock after traveling is a very common trigger for banking apps to fail security checks and refuse to open. Next, go in the settings, go back and go to privacy and security, tap on it and tap location services and confirm that location is turned on both system wide and specifically for Credit One Bank, since your new location needs to update correctly. Force close the app and reopen it since after confirming both settings. If it still won't open, clear its cache by going to the settings, general, iPhone storage, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down, find Credit One, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store and reinstall it fresh from there. So all you've got to do is check date and time is set to automatically, confirm location services is on, then offload and reinstall if needed. The app opens again after a move. Subscribe.